Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option to get my instant updates. Today I'm going to make this beautiful panda home decor with waste materials. So keep watching till end without skipping the video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. You will need metal bangles like this. You will need 2 pieces. Use any cutter like this and cut the metal bangle. You can even use scissors. Trim off the excess and shape it like this. I'm going to make tree trunk with this. Repeat the same for another bangle too. Now I'm going to cover this with magazine or newspaper. Take any paper and crush it like this. Apply glue and wrap it around the metal bangle. You can even use metal wires if you don't have bangles. If you are watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. You will find a lot of creative ideas. Do check description box to know the list of materials I use. Now I'm going to cover this with homemade adre clay. I will be uploading that next week. This is a very easy and new clay recipe, so keep watching Treasury Crafts. Now take some clay, roll it. You will need some glue, any white glue, and some water to smooth out the clay. Now apply Fevicol and wrap it around the paper base. You can even use aluminum foil as a filler instead of metal bangle and paper. You need to make 2 pieces of the tree trunk. I'm just showing you one. Now using any sharp object, give texture of a tree trunk. Now allow it to dry. This will take 1 day to dry completely. To sculpt body of the panda, you can use empty Vicks bottle like this. If you want storage, you can use this. If you don't want to store anything and use it as simply as a home decor, you can use Surf Excel bottle cap. If you want storage, use Vicks bottle or empty honey bottle like this. I'm going to use empty Fevicryl acrylic bottle, paint bottle. You can use any of them. You can easily remove the label. Now let's sculpt face of the panda. Take some clay, make a clay ball. Now make eye socket like this. Take some clay and make a teardrop shape to sculpt the eye. Just take some clay, roll at one end and flat it. Now apply glue and fix it in the eye socket. Now make 2 tiny clay balls and fix it on the eye. Now for this nose, do the same. Using any toothpick or sharp object, sculpt the mouth. Make ears like this and blend it to the clay face. Now remove the cap. Cover the plastic cap with adre clay. Apply Fevicol and then cover it. Now apply glue on the top and fix the face. Now I'm going to cover the glass bottle with homemade gesso. You have to take some POP, some white paint and glue, mix it together and use it as a primer. You can also find my homemade gesso recipe in the description box. Let it dry. Now, meanwhile, let's make hands. Take some clay, roll it, flat it at one end like this. Now, using any toothpick or any sharp object, make texture like this to make the hands. Now, just bend it. Apply Fevicol and fix the hands. Press the edges of the hand to the surface so that the clay sticks well. Now take some clay, dust it with talcum powder and roll it. I am going to cover the glass bottle with this. Apply glue and cover the body of the panda. Smooth it out with water, or you can do like this to get a smooth surface. Now you have to remove the cap and remove the excess clay in between so that you can open and close and store something. Take some clay and roll it. Divide it into two equal halves to make legs. Take one, bend it like this. Panda is going to be in sitting position. Now flat the edge and bend like this to make legs. Using any sharp object, you have to make texture. Now apply glue, any white glue such as Fevicol, and blend the edges of the leg to the surface so that the clay will stick well. Let it dry completely. Once dried, you can see the smooth finishing. This clay really works well for sculpting and doesn't crack. I'm going to use these three colors to paint it. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. Painting the tree trunk with green acrylic color. Now paint the body of the panda with white acrylic, leaving the legs. For the top portion, leave the hands and paint the remaining area with white color. Paint hands and legs, ears, nose and eyes with black acrylic color. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and do recommend my channel to your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. I have sculpted this completely with homemade Adray clay, which is a very easy recipe. Video will be uploaded next week at the regular time, so keep watching. As I told before, I have made two pieces of the tree trunk. for a stronger base. Make somewhat flat. So I'm going to stick these two pieces with Fevibond. You can even use glue gun or super glue. If you are using Fevibond, you have to apply glue on both the sides and allow it to dry for 5 minutes, and then you have to stick it. Now stick the body of the panda. And it's ready. You can store any small objects such as rings. You can open and close the bottle. Do try this with any small container in your home. You can simply use it like this. You can use this in two ways, either like this or you can hang them. I'm using woolen thread. I'm going to join 3 threads together for thickness. Cut it into desired size. Now fold it into half and tie a knot at the top. Now make one more for each side. Now it's ready to hang. Just insert it like this at both the ends. Now you can hang it anywhere you wish. You can use it as a garden decor. And the beautiful panda home decor is ready to use. If you don't want to hang it, you can remove them and simply place it on the table. It appeared like a real one for me. Do comment on how you liked about it. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.